The wait for DJI's next flagship drone might soon be over. Leaks have just revealed key details about the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro, including its pricing, accessories, and exciting new features. If you've been holding off on a drone upgrade, this is what you need to know. Let's start with the accessories. According to leaks, the Mavic 4 Pro's batteries will cost around $180 each, which is the same price as the Mavic 3 Pro batteries. The charging hub is expected to be priced at $100, while a set of ND filters could cost around $220. If you need a carrying case to protect your new drone, leaks suggest its WLL run you about $225. And for those wondering about the remote controller, DJI might release an upgraded model, possibly priced over $365, potentially featuring a built-in screen like the RC2. Now, for the drone itself. The base model of the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to start at $2,099, putting it in the same premium price range as its predecessor. If you want the full package, the Fly More combo, which typically includes extra batteries, propellers, and a carrying case, could cost as much as $2,999. But what about the upgrades? The leaks hint at some major improvements. The Mavic 4 Pro might feature a larger camera sensor for better low-light performance and overall image quality. Flight time could see a boost too, with rumors suggesting up to 40 minutes or more on a single charge. And for safer flying, DJI might introduce 360-degree obstacle avoidance, giving pilots better protection against collisions. Other potential upgrades include improved transmission range and smarter flight modes, though we'll have to wait for official confirmation. As for when you can get your hands on it, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to launch in late 2025, likely around September or October. That's all we know for now, but as more details emerge, we'll be sure to keep you updated. So, what do you think? Is the Mavic 4 Pro shaping up to be a must-have upgrade, or are you sticking with your current drone? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more drone news and updates. Thanks for watching.